Hello friends, welcome to the series of problem solving using the JavaScript. Today we are going to see about the strong number. These strong numbers are the numbers whose summation of the factorial of each digit of that number, if it is equal to that number, then it is the strong number. For an example, if we take an example of 145 and we taken out all the factorials of all the digits of that number and add all of them. If the number is equal to that number, then it's a strong number. Factorial of 1 is 1, factorial of 4 is 24, factorial of 1 5 is 120. So summation is equal to 145. So 145 is the strong number. So at the start we will create logic to taken out the factorials, and in the next function we will pass the digit of the number one by one to the factorial function, and the value written from the factorial will store it into the one variable, and if that some variable is equal to the number passed, then that number we will consider as a strong number. So let's start with building logic for factorial. Here I am taking one parameter, and I'm taking one variable as a fact. Here initialize with the 1. I'm using the straightforward way to take out the factorial with the for loop. Let I starts with 0. I will be run until less than number and increment 1 by 1. Now here I'm storing my factorial like fact into number minus of I. So this logic will give me the factorial of the number passed, and from here I will return the factorial. So logic for factorial is ready. Now our main logic is to find out is the number given is a strong number. It's strong number. I am taking one parameter number. Now I have to consider one variable where I will store all the factorials. Now here I am using the while loop because I have to send the digit one by one to the factorial function. So I will check if number is greater than 0, then I will take out the digit from the number given by using the modulus operator. As we know, modulus operator fetches the last digit of the number, and here I will increment or add the number into the sum variable, and here I'm calling my factorial function with the digit that is fetched from the modulus. Now here factorial function will give me the factorial, and we are adding it into the sum variable. Now here we will check if my sum is equal to number, then I will console out that my given number is the strong number. Else what I can do, else I will say given number is not the strong number. Here there is one thing we have to do. We have to remove the last number once we fetch out the last number. Here by divide operator we are reducing or we are removing the last number. Now here you can see in the if block we are using the sum equal to number, but in the iteration we are reducing the number. So we have to take variable, another variable as a temp variable, and I'm storing the original number into it. So our original number will not change, and I will replace my num in with by the temp variable. So I think this will be the right approach to solve this problem. Now I'm calling my a strong number with the strong number itself. Now let's see, and here I will use math.floor function. So I want the integer from the divide operation. Math.floor. Hmm. Calling the function. Yes, 145 is a strong number, and if I'm saying 5 or 7 or two digit number, suppose 56. So 56 is not a strong number. Why? Because the of the factorial of 5 is 120 and factorial of 6 is 720. So their addition doesn't come equal to the 56. So our 56 is not a strong number. So our logic is working well. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.